Good evening and welcome to the Blueprint Explosive Exclusive. We are going to bring you a big story as far as the entire face-off over the SIR exercise and the face-off as far as BLOs are concerned. But first, a quick look at the top stories. In fact, the Jharkhand minister is openly now threatening BLOs, has told voters to lock them up and call him. The BJP is hitting out at the Congress for targeting constitutional bodies. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has mocked Prime Minister Modi's Viksit Bharat vision for 2047 and in fact has even gone ahead and asked voters whether they will be there till 2047. In fact, viewers, we're going to shift focus and we're going to tell you about the showdown over BLO deaths that has refused to die down. After Mamata Banerjee in Bengal upped the ante against the Election Commission, demanding a halt in the SIR exercise and alleging inhuman pressure on BLOs, now leader of opposition in Lok Sabha has waded into the showdown. Rahul Gandhi called SIR a calculated ploy and claimed that chaos has been unleashed across the country under the guise of SIR. Rahul also claimed that 16 BLOs have lost their lives in 3 weeks due to what he called unnecessary pressure on them. Congress MP even called SIR an imposed tyranny. And this comes days after Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee wrote to the Election Commission demanding that SIR exercise be halted in the wake of the death of BLOs in the state, allegedly from work pressure, quote unquote. So far, at least 3 deaths of BLOs have been reported in Bengal since the start of the SIR process. And meanwhile, the Congress has also released an AI video targeting CEC Gyanesh Kumar, claiming that he is behind the alleged pressure on BLOs to complete the exercise in time, whereas the Election Commission has issued a point-by-point rebuttal to the opposition's charge. Well, what is exactly what the Election Commission is saying? They've come out to say that the doubtful deaths could be because of SIR or other reasons. They've also gone on to say that the time given to BLOs is much more than what was given during Bihar. They've also come out to say it's not clear whether the suicide note that has been referred in one particular case is even by the deceased person. There needs to be a forensic analysis for that. Counter number 4, there has to be this forensic examination before allegations are raised. Counter 5 is that BLO deaths could be because of natural causes as well. Counter 6, it's not correct to say that the deaths are due to the SIR exercise. Counter 7, some BLOs with physical challenges have completed the exercise. And counter 8 is that suspension or at most FIR if BLOs don't do their work. Would that be enough reason to commit suicide is the question that sources in Election Commission are posing. Sometimes BLAs of parties are the ones who put pressure on BLOs as far as the entries are concerned to change or alter or subtract the names that are there as far as the voter list is concerned. Now, while the opposition claims the Election Commission is putting undue pressure on BLOs, cases are coming to the fore, showing that it is political parties and their followers who are resorting to threatening BLOs. Yesterday, police have arrested TMC worker Jamirul Islam for allegedly threatening a booth-level officer and obstructing him from carrying out his duties in a village in Sandesh Khali in Bengal. The accused is believed to be a close aide of ruling party's former strongman Shahjahan Sheikh.
স্যার আমি ফর্ম জমা নিতে গিয়ে দেখি এক জায়গায় একটু ভুল আছে, সেই ভুলটা সংশোধন করে আনতে বলেছিলাম, কিন্তু সেইভাবেই উনি নিয়ে এসেছেন। তাতে দেখে আমার মনে হলো এটা ঠিক হয়নি, তাই আমি ওনাদেরকে এইটা বললাম। বলার পরে ফর্মটা ফিল আপ ভুল হওয়াতে আমি আবার বিডিও অফিস থেকে ফর্ম নিয়ে এসে আমি তাদেরকে দিয়ে এসেছি বাড়িতে, তাদের বাড়িতে পৌঁছে দিয়ে এসেছি। তারা আবার বলেছি ফিল আপ করে রাখবেন, আমি এসে নিয়ে যাব। ফোনে পার্টির কোনো ইয়ে হবে, উনি আমাকে।
In Jharkhand, in fact, let's go across to my colleague Rita, who's joining us. Rita, in West Bengal, at least we are seeing some BLOs come out and speak out. What exactly is the Election Commission having to say as far as these reports are concerned? Rita.
Absolutely. As per the ECI sources that we are getting to understand that the time frame that was given in Bihar was actually shorter span than what is given in Bengal as well. Because in Bengal, the time has been till 7th of February, and already the people, the BLOs who are affected with physical disabilities, they have been able to complete more than 1,000 houses. But then again, on the other hand, we are seeing at some places that these BLAs are now exerting pressures on these BLOs, and hence due to which mismanagement or misinterpretation of data is happening. Just as the example at Sandesh Khali at the point stands out. Also, another thing to be noted is the BLOs have been shorted with booth. Not a lot of booth pressures are also on them. Therefore, increase of booths have also been done. Now, the first BLO that committed suicide in West Bengal did not have his 4 fingers, but the suicide note was resembling on a blame game to the ECI. To understand that, the BLOs and the ECI sources have said that it can also happen due to the death can also happen due to natural reasons, because this is a longer period of time that the entire process is
we'll have to see what finally comes out of those particular cases. Thanks so much for getting us that ground report as well, Hrishita. Let's quickly also shift focus to Jharkhand, where State Health Minister Irfan Ansari is openly provoking people to block the SIR exercise. He stoked a controversy, saying that if any booth-level officer approaches their home with SIR-related queries, then they shouldn't hesitate in locking them up and calling him. Listen in.
बिहार में 65 लाख सोचिए आप, हमारा वोट को काट दिया। बंगाल में SIR लागू कर रहा है और उसके बाद झारखंड में करेगा। मैं आप सबको कहना चाहता हूं, एकदम अगर कोई नाम आपका काटने के लिए आए, अगर कोई आपका नाम अगर पूछने के लिए आए, वैसे पदाधिकारी को एकदम गेट पे बंद कर दीजिएगा, ताला मार दीजिएगा, मैं खोलूंगा।
The BJP has in fact slammed opposition for threatening BLOs, accusing them of holding democracy hostage.
झारखंड के एक मंत्री इरफान अंसारी यह पब्लिकली बोलते हैं कि यदि कोई बूथ लेवल ऑफिसर केवल तुमसे जानकारी लेने के लिए आए तो उसे बंधक बना लो। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं इंडी गठबंधन वालों से, यह लोकतंत्र को बंधक बनाने का निंदनीय प्रयास है या नहीं?
Let me introduce our guest. Joining us is Radhika Khera, national spokesperson of BJP. Professor Jyotsna Tirugiri is national spokesperson of TDP. Tausifur Rahman is national spokesperson of TMC. Sarah Shah Halim, activist, is joining us. Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist, is also with us. Let me come to you first. Ashutosh Mishra, do you agree with what Mr. Ansari has said? That BLOs ko bandi bana ke mujhe phone karo? What kind of behavior is this? Is this expected from a responsible leader?
I agree with you. This is something which should not have been done. But then you see the frustration in the politicians, where we are having a SIR which will go down in the history as of one of the most darkest, heinous in our democracy. Here you have seen in Bihar what has happened. Names were deleted, and how SIR has benefited NDA and BJP in particular.
Where are the names, sir? Why haven't you filed an election petition so far? Or the Congress party or any opposition party for that matter? Where is the proof of illegal deletions?
No, these are all analysis done by independent media, which very clearly show that wherever there have been deletions of name in at least 100 seats, BJP has benefited, NDA and BJP have benefited from it. So let's not sort of throw baby out with the water. There is something wrong in this method, which has been sort of they are trying to.
No, there may very well be.
Through.
There may very well be something wrong. I'm only saying that when you make such arguments, there has to be solid evidence to back up those claims. That's all I'm saying.
And that's what I'm saying. That this is an analysis of independent media, not of some party. And even coming to the BLO deaths and how BLOs are being pressured. In our neighboring Greater Noida, the 181 BLOs are being threatened with their duties being terminated because the DM feels that they are behind. So this is a sort of pressure that the BLOs are facing, and why this rush? The Supreme Court is hearing as a a petition on Bihar, and it's going to hear another one on November 26th about in Kerala, Tamil Nadu. So there is, it's not
That's
something
exactly
which
the
is
point, Ashutosh
benefiting
Mishra. If
Indian
the Supreme
democracy.
Court found there was something wrong, surely the Supreme Court would have stayed it, would have intervened,
No,
would have postponed. There's a lot that the court can do. There's a lot that the court can do. Let's not undermine what the role of the Supreme Court is or the powers that the court enjoys. But let me bring in Radhika Khera. Radhika Khera, if 180 BLOs are being threatened with termination of their services, if what has happened in Bihar in terms of deletion of voters, etc., these are all reasons which is causing a huge amount of frustration amongst leaders of opposition. Your response to Ashutosh?
Good evening to everyone. And those so-called messiahs of democracy, that we are saving democracy, are actually exalting democracy today. Now, why this entire problem is happening, Madhav? If you would go at two news clips, two news stories in newspapers of independent media, because pehle to the opposition should decide whether the media is independent or not. Sometimes they say, bhaiya, media ka gala daba diya hai to BJP media. So it's very nice to hear ki independent media. Now, similar independent media has reported that in Havra, in Bangalpada, there are 80% घुसपैठियाज, and it's not me. It came in the newspaper. Categorically, you can't say कि भैया ये गोदी media है or something like that. And this is not the only news that has come out in the open. There are 80% Bangladeshis, and this is after 15 years of TMC rule over there. When those BLOs and the election commission went to those people, those houses were locked. Having said that, let's come to Kolkata. 2 lakh people live in Gulshan colony in Kolkata. Yet when the BLOs went over there, they did not find any voters. They only found 90% people were Bharis, Bangladeshis and Apradis. The same Gulshan colony where NIA had arrested terrorists also. Why are there no people over there? And let's not forget, there is a ration card that I have over here, because I remember that regularly, every time there was a debate, there would be, I remember the Bihar ka ho raha tha, there was the opposition kept on saying, "Are kiska naam kuch hai?" There are ration cards of people in West Bengal, jinke father ka naam Kolkata Knight Riders hai. It's all over the newspapers, and the ration cards ki responsibility is with the state government.
Okay,
so
Tausif.
this is where they have
Tausifur
a problem.
Rahman,
which is
the
why
state government has also not fulfilled its responsibilities. There are all sorts of documents floating around, and she has cited a number of examples. Please respond to that.
Good evening, everyone. See, this is the problem. When BJP speaks, they think that they are the only democratic people staying in India. And we all are very undemocratic. We don't know any laws. We are coming from Bangladesh. In fact, you can tell us also. If someone can add Gulshan Colony people don't even know Bengali. Madhav, this is the national television, national news, and you're the anchor. The Gulshan Colony people don't even understand Bengali. They don't know the language of Bengali. Okay, and they are from Calcutta itself. So are they coming from Afghanistan? But it's okay. The problem is, आपने जो कहा वो पाक है, वो पाकीज़ा है, और हमने जो कहा वो नापाक है. आप ही पाकीज़ा हैं, बाकी सब unconstitutional है. This whole FIR, Madhav, happening in India is not because of infiltrators. It's because BJP cannot win Bengal. Take it from me. And to win Bengal, BJP with the help of Election Commission is here to torture the people of Bengal. Why? खेरा जी, राधिका जी, आपने ये नहीं कहा. एक बीजेपी का बंदा जो यहाँ पर मंडल प्रेसिडेंट था, he is a voter from Shatkhira, Bangladesh, and he is a voter from Bengal as well, from India as well. आप क्या करना चाहते हैं उसके साथ? Will you deport him directly? Now tell me, when you say 4 lakh people will be deported, where are you going to send them? You are not prepared for anything, Madhav.
Tausif, this is exactly the why an SIR needs to be conducted, because you need to rectify the role. And when it comes to terrorizing, one second, when it comes to terrorizing, I don't know if you heard the bite of a certain Mr. Mahato, who's a BLO. He has himself come to say how people of TMC were terrorizing him. So who's terrorizing the BLOs? Is it Election Commission or is it political parties?
31 deaths in Bengal. 31 deaths in Bengal, but the BJP leaders are saying if
31
they don't like the job. Wait, Madhav, don't
Rahul
interrupt.
Gandhi has said 16 today.
Don't interrupt, please. Don't interrupt. You never interrupted Radhika Khera.
I am just asking you to clarify, 31 or 16?
No. This is not a paid channel, bro. This is not a paid channel. Let me complete.
Tausif, I am asking you to clarify. No, but it's also not a monologue channel. I am asking you to clarify 31 or 16.
No. I am not here to clarify Radhika Khera.
I am not saying Radhika Khera. I am saying Rahul Gandhi.
Why are you... No, Madhav, why are you interjecting me? Why are you interrupting me?
I am asking you what is the factual position.
You are interrupting me.
I am asking you the factual position. You are claiming 31. Mr. Rahul Gandhi this morning claimed there were 16 deaths of BLOs.
Rahul Gandhi. I don't care about Rahul Gandhi.
You're not in the same alliance as him.
31 deaths in Bengal. 31 death in Bengal. But the BJP leaders are saying...
No,
if they
are you
don't
not
like
in the same
job,
alliance as Mr. Rahul Gandhi now?
I don't care about Rahul Gandhi right now.
Are you a TMC
31 death in
spokesperson or not,
Bengal.
sir?
Sir, let me complete about Bengal. You are
I
concerned
am
about
asking you
Bengal?
about Bengal and about the whole of
Sir,
India.
let me complete about Bengal. No, you are not
No,
letting
but
me speak.
okay, then answer Deepak Mathur's
Sir,
case.
let me complete.
Why is Deepak Mathur saying TMC goons are
Sir, I
terrorizing
will
him?
complete my statement, not your statement.
No, answer the
31
question.
deaths in
You are
Bengal.
not here. No, Mr.
No, sir.
Tausif,
No,
you are
this is
here
what-
for a
this would
debate.
happen like this.
You are here for a debate. I am asking you a simple
Sir,
question.
I want
Just I have
to
asked other
answer you.
panelists to respond. I am asking
I
you
want
also
to
to
answer
respond
you.
in the same vein. Please
Sir,
respond.
I want to answer you. You're not letting me speak.
Okay, please respond to what Mr. Deepak Mathur said. Go ahead.
Wait. 31 death in Bengal. 31 death in Bengal. BJP leaders are saying if they don't like the job, then kindly leave the job. Don't cry. वहां जाके रोइए मत आप. The death of a BLO in Mal Bazar has exposed the shocking human cost of BJP political driven SIR exercise, Madhav. I'm sorry if you didn't like the way I spoke to you. The deceased repeated pleas to be relieved from the duty were allegedly ignored. Her husband has filed an FIR naming the ECI, highlighting how frontline workers are being pushed to breaking point under a process of this SIR. What's happening, Madhav? Are we not bothered?
No, fine. Maybe what you're saying is correct as far as one BLO is concerned. But what about the other BLO who's claiming that TMC goons are threatening him? You want me to play out the bite of Deepak Mathur again?
So why the BLOs have taken a march today? There's
No,
a march.
the point
outside
being made. The
Calcutta.
point being made is that the point that the election commission at least is saying is that there is also pressure that's coming in from the BLOs or the booth
Might
level
be.
agents of political parties.
It might happen. This is why I'm telling you this SIR is not constitutional at all. They are not prepared for anything.
1 second.
Tell me, Madhav, I want to ask you something.
respond.
How many acknowledgement forms were given to Biharis? There are 2 forms, right? One you will fill up and one you'll get the acknowledgement form. How many Biharis have got those 2
No,
forms?
you can question. I'm not the election commission, sir. You can put that question
This
to
is why
election
I'm
commission.
answering. I'm not
That
answering
is-
you.
No, that's a question
Ask-
for the election commission to
ask-
answer.
ask
I have
Radhika
certainly not
Khera to
conducted the
answer.
SIR in Bengal. But since there are specific questions that are coming in, Jyotsna Tirugiri has just joined the debate. But Radhika wants to quickly respond to you. Radhika.
You know, the entire problem of the TMC and then calling it unconstitutional is because, like you said, he's not ready to listen to Mahathir's bite. They are threatening people openly, and they start when SIR was announced. The leaders went on record to say कि हम आग लगा देंगे, we will not allow this. But he did not have an answer. So don't give an answer to Radhika Khera. But these are two
No, so 31
newspaper
deaths are not
clippings that
important.
I did not speak over you. Kindly zip it. Don't interrupt between me.
31 deaths
This is
are not
not
important
Mamata
for you.
Banerjee's Bengal that you can act like a
this
goon over
31
here.
death is not
This
important for you.
Let me complete. Let me complete and do not speak
That
over
is
me.
important for you or
No,
not.
can you please speak?
let her, okay.
Yeah,
Tausif, let her speak. Let's do this. Not do this. There are 2 other people who have not even spoken so far. Let's at least extend that
Hapra
courtesy to them.
Bangalpada, 80% Bangladeshis, which is why Mamata Banerjee spokespersons are jumping like popcorn on your show. Kolkata, 2 lakh Abadi Gulshan Colony, no one found. Only big locks. This is the entire reason why Mamata Banerjee, who has self-admitted 20 years ago in Parliament during the Congress government, she resigned from Parliament. She threw papers on the speaker's face and said कि बंगाल में बांग्लादेशियों की दिक्कत है, यहाँ पे बांग्लादेशी है. What has changed now? Today, when those Bangladeshis are being thrown out,
Answer
he
that.
has a
Respond,
problem.
Tausif. Respond. What has changed now?
No, Madhav, of course. Tell me something, how they came inside. Under which government? Before 2014 or after 2014? Your home minister,
Okay.
my home minister is incompetent. बेकार है वो. एक भी काम नहीं कर पाते. The borders are under Amit Shah. He's a failure. He's a failure, Ms. Radhika Khera.
Tausif, 1 second. Tausif, let us assume Amit Shah has failed, central government has failed, BSF has failed. State government has no responsibility in identifying and who are the people who have come in from outside?
Madhav, Amit Shah has failed BSF.
No,
We are
so
proud
what
of
about
BSF.
what about the state government?
We
Law
are
and order
proud
is a
of
state
BSF.
subject.
Amit
State
Shah
police
has
will do
failed
nothing.
BSF.
State police will do nothing. How many illegals have you referred to the central government?
Have you seen one
Have you
video?
thrown out any illegals? Have you deported
No,
anyone?
Madhav, this is the problem. You don't let me speak. You
I'm
give
asking
all
you
the
a
time to
question. Please
BJP.
speak, sir.
No,
Please
boss.
speak.
No, you are interrupting on. When I am speaking, you are interrupting.
I
When I am
asked you to
speaking, you are
clarify what you're
interrupting.
saying. Please go ahead. Now answer the question.
See, Madhav, you're an anchor. You're not a BJP spokesperson. So let me speak. Come on.
Sir, you will have to take counters. This is not a free run for anyone over here. Now, answer the
Bhai,
question.
cannot give me
You
counter.
have posed Amit Shah as a failure. I am saying, assume that central government is a failure. What is the role of the state government? Law and order is a state subject. How many illegals have you referred to the center?
We
Answer.
are with the central. No. When you want to segregate Bangladeshi and Rohingyas, we are with the central government. But accept that Amit Shah is a failure. Now, Madhav, tell me geographically, how many borders Bangladesh shares?
No.
With India, there are 8 states where Bangladesh borders are shared. Okay, why the SR is not happening in
Okay,
Assam?
okay. This
Why
is
the
we have
SR is not
limited
happening
time.
in Tripura.
Jyotsna Tirugari, we have the TMC spokesperson who says that the central government is a failure, refusing to acknowledge the role of the state government when it comes to identifying illegal migrants. Your response?
See, Madhav, nothing new and expecting anything of that answer from them. But anyways, let me come back to the topic, Madhav. I'm not going to comment on what TMC says or what BJP says or anybody else says. My point is, SIR is a process. It's a democratic process and it's a procedure, I would say. It's a procedure, administrative procedure, right? Now, there are any hiccups in it, there are any hindrances in it, there are any problems that are encountered in it. There is a way of resolving it. But let's say, for example, today they're talking about deaths. Yes, any death is tragic, Madhav. There is no doubt about it. Any death is tragic. Workload and timelines all should be, revisited, and the mental health support and compensation ensured. These all should be done, Madhav. I'm not denying from all this. But again, the point is, halting SIR, will it stop all this? My question is simple. Because halting SIR, because there are some administrative lapses, is like stopping exams. I'm telling you, as a teacher, I'm telling you, is like stopping exams because the question paper was tough. Simple. Question paper बहुत tough था, इसलिए हम आज exams को ये कर देंगे. ये बात नहीं है ना. Fix the process. I'm telling you, fix the process. If Bengal feels there is some problem, fix the process. Come up with.
Before I go across to Sarah Shah, I want to just very quickly play out a similar incident that was reported in Kerala last week. And Sarah Shah, just listening to this conversation, and I'm going to come to you on the basis of this conversation. Let's just listen in.
അല്ല നീ അത് ഇത് പറയാ അത് ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് ഇതാവുന്നുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഞാൻ പറയേണ്ടത് തടിയും ഭയങ്കര കുഴപ്പാക്കും പിന്നെ ഇതാക്കും എന്നല്ല അവര് പറയുന്നത്. നിങ്ങള് മോള് കംപ്ലൈന്റ് ചെയ്ത് നമ്മള് പണിയെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നിങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞോ. പിന്നെ മറ്റേത് ഞാൻ പറയാം, എന്നോട് ഇവര് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല, നിങ്ങളോടല്ലേ പറയുന്നുള്ളൂ. അതെ, എന്നോട് വൈശാഖ നീ വരണ്ട, നിന്നെ തടിയെന്നോ പറയൂല. പിന്നെ എന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിനുള്ള മറുപടി ഞാൻ അവനോട് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. നിങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങളല്ലേ വിളിച്ചു പറയുന്നത് നമ്മ തടയുന്നില്ലേ.
Sarah Shah Halim, that is a conversation in Malayalam between an individual called Vaishak and an individual called Anish, who's of course, one of them is the BLO, and he's very clearly saying that Rafiq, who represents the left parties, will beat him up if he takes the Congress or the UDF member along. Now, it's a similar pattern that we're seeing in Kerala, ma'am. Sarah Shah Halim, what would you like to say to that?
See, Madhav, let's be very clear first. At the outset, I want to say that while the Election Commission is claiming again and again that this whole SIR process, it is simply to update and verify the voters list, the methodology right now is being, the kind of the method that is being deployed on the ground has come under, intense scrutiny, following the deaths of government employees, following the deaths of citizens. And now this exercise, if you've noticed, it employs a rigorous door-to-door verification, data collection, digitization, and complete updation of the voters' records. However, if you see, this entire mammoth exercise has been compressed into a 2-month exercise, and otherwise this exercise goes on for years. It spans years. So the question is that under these inhuman work circumstances, where do the foot soldiers of the process go? Now, who's suffering? Which is the booth level officers, the BLOs, and it is, and the contractual, workers. And furthermore, it has ignited fears of disenfranchisement, And right now, West Bengal has become a living hell. The Bengal administration machinery has become a political battleground since SIR has been implemented. Because here, families are mourning. These allegations of harassment by supervisors. And if you look at, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Kerala, we have heard of deaths across these three states, and it is maddening.
Well, there are deaths certainly
come
being
on,
reported. Are all of them related to SIR? And is every one of those deaths, can it be linked to SIR? Is a very big question at the moment. The Election Commission says that's not the case. While they need to be investigated, whether it's all happening because of SIR is certainly something that will have to be looked at in coming days. We'd like to thank our guests, Radhika Khera, Professor Jyotsna Tirunagiri, Tausifur Rahman, Sarah Shailem, and Ashutosh Mishra. Thanks so much for joining us this evening. All right, and there are, in fact, pro-Hidma slogans that were heard at the Delhi protests, and this video of the protest has now been shown in the court during the hearing. These were the slogans, in fact, that were put out earlier today. Of course, we had shown you the video earlier as well, and now this video has come out in the courts as well. Let's quickly go across to Priyank, who's joining us. Priyank, take us through what exactly were the slogans and what did the court have to say after seeing this particular video. Priyank. All right, so those were the videos, in fact, of pro-Hidma slogans that were chanted at India Gate, following which, of course, there was a scuffle between those protesters, the protesters even spraying pepper spray at the Delhi police. We'll have to leave it there for the moment, slipping into a quick break. More news and updates on the other side. Stay tuned.